The galaxy plot provides a new method for displaying the information found in the funnel plot by creating one-dimensional and two-dimensional plots. To aid in the visualization, we first reduce the dimension of univariate funnel plots as demonstrated in the left panel of this figure. The main idea is to project the two-dimensional univariate funnel plot, which shows the effect size and standard error on two axes, into a one-dimensional galaxy plot. The one-dimensional galaxy plot aims to represent the effect size and standard error data points using circles on an axis. The axis is a continuum for effect size, while the size of the circles on the axis correspond with that study's precision. Larger studies, and thus studies that are more precise, are represented by larger circles. Each circle's center of mass and relative location on the axis coincides with its weighted sum estimate of the overall effect size. We can use this one-dimensional galaxy plot to have a high-level view of where the effect sizes of different studies fall relative to each other. Now, if we look over on the right-hand side, the two-dimensional galaxy plot incorporates a similar visualization technique and can be used to compare two effect sizes. The x and y axes of the galaxy plot are the two different effect sizes being studied. Within the plane, we can see ellipses, whose size is determined by their height and width, and their location depends on each study's joint outcomes for each of the two effect sizes. The crosshairs in each ellipse display the precision, or the inverse of standard error, of the estimates for the two outcomes, while the intersection of the crosshairs in each ellipse show the estimate of the bivariate outcomes. The center of mass, which is marked by the red star among the ellipses, corresponds to the overall estimate of the two effect sizes. We call this the galaxy plot because of its similarity to images of galaxies. Besides the position of the ellipses, the size of the ellipses, and the center of mass in contribution to each study, we also demonstrate specific features of galaxy plot for studying specific purposes, such as confidence intervals, within-study correlations, between-study heterogeneity, and joint symmetry. For example, the galaxy confidence plot visualizes the confidence intervals of effect sizes, where the crosshairs are used to represent the confidence intervals of the bivariate outcome. The galaxy correlation plot integrates the within-study correlation, which is displayed by an arrow starting from the center of the ellipse and extended outwards. In the galaxy heterogeneity plot, different colors can be used to identify and display different sources of heterogeneity. And the galaxy plot can also be used to identify publication bias. We observe that in the presence of publication bias, the galaxy plot is not symmetric around the estimated center of mass. In fact, the largest ellipse is away from the estimated center of mass. And these are just some of the capabilities that can be found in the galaxy function in the XMeta package.